Hey everyone, this is Libby from Digital Designs by Libby, and today we're going to be sublimating on wood planks, and we're going to be creating our own custom ribbons. These little stands are perfect for tier trays. Stay tuned. For this project, we're going to need these wood planks. You could pick them up from Amazon. I'll leave a comment in the description. These are 4.5 by 4.5. And we need to prep them for sublimation. There is a video that goes into detail on that. We're going to use this paint, we're going to use a thing, and we're going to paint this. The other thing that we're going to need is 5/8 ribbon. This is a polyester. I picked this up from Dollar Tree. And then the last thing we're going to need is our design. You have this one, and we have these. I'm excited. Let's get to it. This is a quick take on how you prep your blanks for sublimation. You give it 2 coats of paint, and then you put it to your heat press. You add butcher paper, laminate, and then butcher paper on top, 385 degrees for 50 seconds, and then you trim off the excess, and you're done. You have yourself a laminated product. Okay, our blank is now nice and ready for sublimation. As you can see here, we're going to take our design and we're going to tape it. Like so. I don't know what happened to the video for this, but the pressing process is the same. Put your paper, the blank, your design, put your paper on top. I did it for 385 degrees for 50 seconds, and that's it. You're done. And they come out amazing. Okay, so now we're going to make some ribbon. The good thing about doing ribbon is that it actually is going to match your design. So the first thing I'm going to do is take and cut one strip, and then I'm going to cut all the others the same. When you cut ribbon, sometimes the end, I don't know if you could see that or not. Let me put the light on. It does that, it frays. So what you want to do is just take off that fray, take a lighter, and then just kiss the end, and what that does is it seals the end of the ribbon for you. So what I'm going to do is pause the video, cut off the length, and I'll be back. Okay, we have all our ribbon cut out now. Now, what I want to show you also is this is satin. You can pick it up at the Dollar Tree, Walmart, anywhere. Oh, I missed a spot here. Anyway, there is a shiny side and a not so shiny side. So we want to make sure that the shiny side faces down when we go to tape this. And now it's just a process of lining it up with our design, such as like this. And we're going to repeat the process for all of them. Be right back. Okay, now that our ribbon is all nice and taped down, we're going to put it on our heat press. I'm going to use my Cricut Easy Press, but you could certainly use your heat press for this. So make sure put your paper down, design up, and then more paper on top. Like so. I'm going to do 385. Oops. Make sure which way this goes. Okay. 385 for 55 seconds. Looks good. Hot. Yeah, I'm going to finish taking it off and then I'll show it in just a minute. And this is how they came out. Oops. Okay, now all our ribbon is cut, and I also went ahead and I did another one with a different type of um, ribbon. This is 5/8 of an inch, and I was thinking about putting it here, like that. So these are obviously too big because I want to kind of put the ribbon there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go through here and take each one of these and then just cut them in half. Because we're going to do a messy bow. So I'm going to do that and then come right back. Okay, bear with me. I'm not the best bow maker in the world, but we'll see. Anyway, so there is no rhyme and reason how to do this. It's all a matter of preference. But basically what you do is you're just going to do an X with these pieces, like so. And then we're going to flip it over, take a piece of string, flip it over, and then we're just going to tie a knot to cinch it all together. Now the next step is just trimming off because this is way too big for the design. So I'm just gonna cut off the ends a little bit, and I'm gonna cut them off at an angle. Now we're ready to put on our ribbons. Do as I say, not as I do. Ideally, this should have been painted on the back so it's a nice and clean surface. But this is a demo, so I'm just going to leave it at that. I also put a clip here, and it winded up during this area. But that's fine because I'm actually going to start at the owl. So the first thing we're going to do is line up what I need, like so. I'm going to take my heat press. And then we could trim this off. Like so. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take, I painted one of these tumbling tower blocks from the Dollar Tree. That's what they look like. And I'm going to glue one to the back here so I could stand it up. Now, I don't know if you could see that as I put it on there. Now the thing stands up. And this is how it came out on the tier tray. I love the colors on this design. I love the fact that I could do any ribbon in whatever color to match any design. The little Scrabble stand is also part of the bundle. It is a tier tray bundle available on my website, and the link will be in the description below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel to see upcoming designs and more products.